Say bam. Yes, the tour day is coming on again on the 5th of December 2025. Brothers and sisters of ATU, come and let us go and release stress. There's too much stress in the system. So come and let's go and have fun to release stress. There's going to be a whole lot of activities. My brother, can you name them?
Exactly. The interesting part is the side attraction. You know, we are going to have swimming, canoe riding, pedal cruising, outdoor games, quad biking. There's something called trampoline, which me myself I don't know, but I'll be excited to meet that day so that I can, for the first time, experience. There's going to be swimming, fishing competition. How? Fishing competition.
I think when we get there, we shall see.
Okay. There's going to be comedy, sack racing, ludo, aware, cars, chess, basketball, football, ampe, eating competition, music and dance. Wow, I can't wait.
Oh,
because
yes.
that's my fault.
Oh, yes.
I can dance very well. And also I'll be eating competition metal. That one is your field.
Oh, of course.
We have music and dance, as I said earlier, on tag of war, boxing, and many more. Please don't miss out.
And you know something?
Tell
we
me,
are
Chairman.
actually and humbly inviting the VC to be part of this day
Wow,
out.
then this
You
is
know,
a
he
great
has
news
a
to
lot
hear.
to carry from January going. So he has to come and distress
Seriously.
before he
Seriously.
starts.
Seriously. I'll be very grateful and happy to see our Vice Chancellor joining our tour day out.
Of
In fact,
course.
it's going to be interesting.
It's going to be fun.
Seriously.
Keke.
I
But
know
Chairman,
it's a fun.
I can see you are holding some football.
Of course.
Is there going to be much day?
Yes. We're playing football over there. Going to play football.
There will be
And you
volleyball
know-
as well.
You know, the VC likes playing football and volleyball. So,
Nice
in
one.
fact, it's
No,
going
I
to
think
be fun.
what he fancy most is the long tennis. He plays the long tennis. often.
That one as well.
Okay, that's nice.
That's fine. That's
but Chairman, people are also asking the fare, like the fee. How much are they going to pay? People are asking
Oh,
for the
it
fee.
is only 200 Ghana cedis per.
Oh,
And you know
wow.
what? You are getting a nice customized
Wow,
T-shirt
like the
like
one we
this.
are
like the one we are wearing.
Yes.
That's nice. You know,
Yes.
people approach you and
Fantastic.
they're like, oh, na mo started some more shabra time. So
Sure.
this is for advertisement.
Oh, can't say
It's
you did
nice.
Say
They are saying it's
Say
just
bam.
saying bam. And what I noticed that most of the ladies are asking of the pink color. I think ladies they like pink.
Yes.
So most of them.
Yes, the vice is the organizer,
Organizer.
is also wearing the pink.
I think that's why it is attractive.
She is joining us soon.
She's joining. Oh, that's good.
Organa, can you join us?
I think that's the
Yes.
reason why they like the pink.
Say kutu.
Yes.
Say bam.
Bam 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 bangida bam bangida bam bangida.
Say bam.
Bam bam
So
gida.
Organa, what do you have for us on that very day?
On that day, it is going to be very extraordinary.
Fantastic.
Best
Fantastic.
I just want you guys to come out. Let's go and have fun, release stress, you know, network and all that. Like bring and share. A lot of drinks to eat, dance and all that. Like, you know, say kutu.
Say bam.
But organizer, I have something to even though Chairman has commented
Okay.
on it. I want to see what include in the 200 cities.
For the
Chairman have said
200
about the
cities, it
t-shirts.
includes the t-shirts, the activities there, swimming, football,
So
you know,
all the activities
canoe,
I've listed is going to be part. Oh, then this is great.
everything.
This is great.
Even if you don't have food, come.
Come.
You will get
Nice
a lot
one.
to eat.
Sure.
A lot
There will
of
be
drinks,
there
a
will be
lot.
water,
You dance.
food.
Everything, you get it.
Okay, now one more thing. Can we bring our children?
Yes, you can bring your children. You can bring them. And it is so affordable. Just 70 Ghana cedis.
For children.
For children.
I thought it's all round. You are paying too much. So the children are paying
70 Ghana
cedis.
cedis,
Oh,
and you will
that's
get everything,
Oh, that's
access to
good.
everything for the children.
You
Just
know what?
70
Let me
Ghana
just
cedis.
invite our able photographer, Jonah. Jonah, come and tell us something.
Come and tell us something.
What do you have for us on that
On
day?
that day.
Like you know already, I'm the fantastic photographer.
know, right?
I'm coming with my new camera.
Yay!
Don't come, I'm missing something.
I see them say
I'm actually going
Say
to give
bam.
every family a memorable picture.
Oh, nice
Wow.
And
one.
every individual a picture that you remember forever.
Wow.
Please.
Don't miss this.
Please, is it going to be for free?
It's free.
Oh,
Wow. It's for free.
For free,
Yeah, so
wow.
everyone can
in
come.
fact, me, I'm a witness. I've seen all your photo shots,
Oh,
and I know
it's superb.
you give a quality video or picture to whatever that I do.
And they all
So
know.
me,
So yeah.
as for me, yes, most people can attest to the fact that you are very good.
Yes.
So I'm coming.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
come and enjoy
It's
something,
very
right?
Please don't stay at home.
No.
Come and let's have fun.
Chairman, that day is
this
going to be a
package is
holiday,
for
right?
200.
Yeah, it is.
Yes.
It is actually a holiday.
It's a holiday.
But do you know we miss out the venue? We miss out the venue. I think it's
Oh, yeah,
Wonderland.
yeah, yeah,
yeah, yeah,
Wonderland.
Yes, we miss out the
Just
venue.
listen to the name. Means
Wonderland.
signs and wonders
Wonders
are going to happen on
On that
that. So
land.
don't miss.
Nice
Oh.
one.
The land is a
Nice one.
wonderland.
Yes.
And they have some nice coconuts. You remember?
wow.
A
Yes, yes,
nice
yes,
coconut. Like it is not the Accra coconut. Oh. This
Okay.
is Womua coconut. Chairman.
Okay.
I
have to taste
I was
it.
told by
It's
my mom.
very
I was told by
nice.
my mom that if you want the best sweet coconut, it comes from Gomua.
Yes.
Okay.
And I can't wait.
Very
that
nice.
day, in fact,
Ah.
if you don't take me, I'm not going to.
It's
I'll
more
just be
than the
drinking
infusion the
coconut.
doctors give, eh?
Yes,
It is.
exactly.
Good.
And I'm going to
Okay.
give everybody free coconuts.
Hey.
Ah.
You are the entrance.
Say
I can't afford to wait.
Free
Say
coconuts.
kutu.
Say
Because we all have to taste the coconut.
Oh, yes.
The water.
Nice one.
Oh.
Yes.
Nice
It
one.
will cure
Nice one.
all the
So,
inside.
Ghana,
Free coconuts.
You spoke about children.
Yes.
What about our spouse, our siblings, maybe family?
You can bring them.
You can bring everyone.
You can bring them. If they are adults, they will just pay 200 cedis, and they are
Oh,
kept
okay.
70.
Oh,
It's not
okay.
only limited to TWAC members
okay.
in ATU. Everybody want to network
Okay,
and
so
make
the adults,
friends.
when they pay the 200, are they also going to get the
Yes,
the
everybody
t-shirts?
will get it.
Oh, then that's good. With the
Everybody.
exception of the children who are paying 70
Yes,
cedis.
please. For,
So,
for them, they will
that's
not get the
In a
t-shirt.
nutshell, all that we are saying is, look, come and let us go and have fun because
Yes.
life is too short. Don't sit and be thinking of what you are going to do, what is going to happen.
Yes.
Come and release stress.
Nice one.
Yes. So see you there on the 5th of December 2025.
At Wonderland. It's going to be full of fun, excitement, and enjoyment.
Yes. So say kutu.
Say bam, bambagida.